Work it, work it, work it, work it, work it. Work it, work it. Show your ass, Nina. Work it, work it. Show your ass, Nina. Work it, work it, work it. Show your ass, Nina. Work it, work it. Show your ass, Nina. Work it.
Fine girls wanna work it.
Work it,
Girl, I like the way you work it.
work it,
To the cash, you just be work it.
work it,
London, they like to work it.
work it,
Ninja girls, have you work it.
work it.
Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first ever video. My name is Karen, aka Karen Teal, and let's go on this journey together. So for me as a person, I think makeup, skincare, beauty, all those trends and just learning about those things are very important to me, and I want to focus my channel on that and, you know, just grow as a person, as an artist, and just take care of myself as well as enjoy this hobby that I've picked up after all these years. So I'm in no way am I a makeup artist whatsoever, but like I said, I love makeup and I love taking care of my skin. I've had bad skin since I was literally 9 years old, but it's been a journey up and down of getting it in check, and I'd like to share that with you guys too, and, you know, give you alternatives, things that you can try and test out. So let's do this thing. So first thing first is I want to review my favorite brand in the whole entire world, which is ColourPop, and I'll obviously be trying some other stuff too. It's not going to be strictly ColourPop, but this is my favorite. It is affordable, same cost as drugstore makeup. So yeah, let's do this. So I ordered Kathleen Knight's collab with ColourPop, and I love all types of colors, but when it comes to, you know, the bold colors, this here is what I like. So I'm going to be trying out some of these colors more in the darker ranges, which is going to be kind of like bouncing off of my turtleneck here, which I love. So I'm going to play around with these looks here, and I will be also using the ColourPop palette California Love. And this, if anyone knows me, knows I love warm, bold, shimmery colors, as well as the warm and neutrals too, but this type of palette is usually like my go-to, but for today I'm gonna add a little bit more pop into it, so it's gonna be a little exciting. It's gonna be exciting. Let's see how this goes, as well as trying out the new brushes from ColourPop that's come out. I haven't used these at all, but yeah, let's do that. Let's get it started, you guys. So first thing first, I will be putting on primer, then going from there.
work it, work it. Work it, work it. Show your ass, Nina. Work it, work it. Show your ass, Nina. Work it, work it, work it. Show your ass, Nina. Work it, work it. Show your ass, Nina. Work it,
Fine, fine girls wanna work it.
work it,
Girl, I like the way you work it.
work it,
To the cash, you just be work it.
work it,
London, they like to work it.
work it,
Nigeria girls, I be work it.
work it,
Ghanaian girls, them work it.
work it.
No use.
I hope you enjoyed my makeup look. Below I will have the descriptions of the products that I use, brushes, primers, all that good stuff. I will have that below. Like, subscribe, comment below. Let me know what you think about this look. Again, like I said, welcome to my channel. I am Karen, Karen Teal, and thank you again so much.